guys, this is Doc. Welcome to the Sugar House at Gray Fox Farm here in 2013. Some friends of ours on Maple Trader had asked to see my simple, homemade, cheap filter. So, here we go. Simply, this is a ginger ale bottle, quart bottle. Cut the top down, so it's about 2 inches, inch and a half in diameter. Plenty of silicone holding a little tube in place, flex tube. To make it work, you simply take a coffee filter, fold it into a roughly triangle, place that over the opening for the receiving vessel. This is where the filtered product will go. For the raw product, another quart bottle cut down to make a filter. Excuse me, a funnel. Place that on there and press down. It forms a sort of a vacuum seal, and as well holds the filter in place. Then using an FDA approved vacuum system called breathing, you pour your raw product in here and draw a vacuum on here. The lower pressure in here is overcome by the higher pressure in there, forcing the fluid down through your filter, so you're not sitting here waiting for gravity to do the job. Simply discard the filter, pour off your product, good to go. You can scale this up if you've got more product by using a 5-gallon bucket and a lid and a paint pail. It's got to be one of the lids that fits nice and tight. Take like a gallon paint pail bucket, cut the bottom out of it, use the bottom of that to trace a circle on here, cut that out just a little bit bigger than the line, go maybe a 1/4 inch past the line. Then take a cloth filter membrane, something like maybe like a cloth diaper or an old cotton pillowcase. You're going to want to, off to the side here, do the same thing that I did with this. Take an old piece of 5/16, which I'm sure we've all got around. Silicone that in place, inside and outside. Put your cloth on the top here, through the hole that, of course, you can see is right here. Then push the bucket, the smaller bucket, down into this so it sits down in about 1 inch or so. The cloth filter around the outside serves as a gasket to seal it, as well as a filter fabric. Then hook this to a vacuum source, probably something a little better than breathing, but if you've got a vacuum system in your woods, you can draw off of that. If you've got a compressor, even an old something like a air pump you use to blow up a beach raft, anything that will draw a vacuum. Then put your filter fabric on here, your cloth down through it, fill this up, draw a vacuum on here, and you can suck it down and maybe do a gallon. Very simple, very easy. You're in it for a lid that I think costs $1.09. You don't even have to hurt the bucket because everything you're going to cut is going to be up here. And a paint pail. So maybe for $3 or $4 you make yourself a pretty effective, completely cheap filtration system. So hope that works for you guys. See ya.